A warm greetings to all. Welcome everyone. I am Baljeet Kaur, class teacher of class 4B in Shivani Public School. Today I am telling you about different Indian dance form of India. Dance is a performing art. Some people dance to express their feelings and emotions. India has many dance coming from every state of the country. There are only 6 popular Indian classical dances recognized on a national level. They are Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Manipuri, Odissi and Kuchipudi. So there are many other popular dance styles all over the world. For example, contemporary, hip hop, jazz dance, salsa dance, ballet dance, tap dance, swing dance and modern dance. So here I am explaining about the different types of dances. So here it is. First is a Nataraj, is also known as a lord of a dance, is a Hindu god Shiva in a form of a dance. Is a metal statues are found in basically in a South Indian temples. So first dance form of roof dance is come from the state of Kashmir. Second is a Bhangra, is a very popular dance form, is come from the state of Punjab. Now third one is a Haryana folk dance, is popular dance form of Haryana state. Next is Himachal folk dance, is a popular dance form of a very beautiful state of Himachal. Next, Bihu dance is a popular dance form of Assam state. Next is Dhankut. Dhankut is also a very popular dance form of Meghalaya state. Next is a Nagaland folk dance, is also popular dance form of Nagaland. Another one is a dance form of Santhal dance, is coming from the state of Bihar. Next is a Garba, is a very popular dance form of a state of Gujarat. Then Dandiya is a very popular dance form of Gujarat as well as Maharashtra. People love to do dancing on Dandiya on Navratri. Next is a Lavani, is also a very popular dance form of Maharashtra state. Next is a Kathakali. Kathakali is a very popular classical Indian dancing form come from the state of Kerala. Next is Bhoot Kola. Bhoot Kola is also very popular dance form of Karnataka state. Next is Andhra folk dance. Andhra folk dance is also a very popular dance form of Andhra state. Next is Mali. Mali is also very popular dance form of Madhya Pradesh. Then Manipuri. Manipuri is also a very popular Indian classical dance form of Manipuri state. Next is Rajasthan folk dance, is also popular dance form of Rajasthan. Then Odia dance is also popular dance form of state of Odisha. It is also known as Odissi classical dance. Then Bharatnatyam is very popular classical Indian dance form of Tamil Nadu state. And the last one is a Kathak dance, come from our state, that is Uttar Pradesh. It is also classical Indian dance form. So here are the different dance forms of the India. So the students of class 4B has performed on these different dance forms of India. Hope you like. Please share your loves and blessings to the children. Thank you and have a nice day.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम वाणी त्रिपाठी है। मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ। आज आप सब लोगों के सामने एक क्लासिकल सॉन्ग अलगिरी नंदिनी पर नृत्य प्रस्तुत करूंगी।
नंदित मेदिनी विश्व विनोदिनी नंदनुते
A very warm greetings to all of you. My name is Gauri Srivastav. I study in class 4B at Shivani Public School, Lucknow. Today I am going to make a Bollywood dance song and I will dance on Makhna. So let's start.
A very warm greetings to all. Myself Divyanshi Singh from class 4B at Shivani Public School. Today I am going to dance. So my dance topic is Garba. Now start.
A very warm greetings to all of you. Myself, Mahin Fatma. I study in class 4B in Shivani Public School, Lucknow. Today I am going to perform by Bhojpuri song. My Bhojpuri song is a Bavan Gaj Ka Lehenga. Let's start.
मेहंदी हाथों में लगवाऊं, पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं, पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं, घूंघट काना सा का ढूना का सर घालूंगी, 52 गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी, 52 गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी.
A very warm greetings to all. My name is Faizan Khan from class 4B. I at Shivani Public School, Lucknow. My topic is a dance. My dance name is Mukabla. So let's start.
Talking
at Shivani Public School. Today my activity is dance. I am performing Bollywood dance. My song name is Maine Payal Chhankai. So let's get started.
Music, STK.
मैं दिन भर सोच में डूबूं, मैं रात में जागूं न सोऊं, तू ही मेरे सपनों में ओ सजना। मैंने पायल चमकाई, तू आजा तू हर जाए। मैंने पायल चमकाई, तू आजा तू हर जाए। मेरी सांसों में तू है बसा ओ सजना।
चांद सरी सो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए।
सारे हो दारू बदनाम करती तना तेरा बेकार दारू बदनाम करती तना तेरा बेकार। पता करो केड़े पिंड दी कुड़ी जिते ते कराई ते जावे। पता करो केड़े पिंड दी कुड़ी जिते ते कराई ते जावे। डीजे दा कसूर कोई ना कुड़ी चोपरा दे सीने अग लावे। डीजे दा कसूर कोई ना कुड़ी
ਜਦੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਗੋਰਾ ਗੋਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਨੀ ਗੋਰਾ ਗੋਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਕਰੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੰਗ ਨੀ। ਗੋਰੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਲ ਚੂੜਾ ਛਣ ਕੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਤੇ ਬਣੇ। ਜਦੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਪਟੋਲਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਤੇ ਬਣੇ। ਜਦੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਪਟੋਲਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਤੇ ਬਣੇ।
A very warm greeting to all of you. My name is Ekunda. My studying class would be at Shivani Public School. Are going to the Rajasthani dance. Let's start.
मीठी बातां थारी मन है प्रेम को झरणों सा। कांच की आंसू शर्मा जावे ऐसो रूप सजीलो।
चांद सरी सो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए। थोड़ा हलवे चालो।
A very warm greetings to all. My name is Sankalp Nigam. I study in class 4B at Shivani Public School, Lucknow. Today I am presenting Bollywood dance on song Dheeme Dheeme. So let's start. Rajasthani song. The song name is Bunny. So let's start.
सो मीठी बाता थारी मन है प्रेम को झरणों सा कांच बिथा सू शर्मा जावे ऐसो रूप सजीलो
बनी थारो चांद सरी सो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए बनी थोड़ा हलवे हलवे चालो कोई
Warm greetings to all of you. My name is Gaurav Pridashi. I study in class 4B at Shivani Public School. Today I am going to do a dance. Let's start. Thank you. Have a nice day.
फिसला 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 तेरे गोरे बदन पे फिसला तेरे गुलाबी होंठों को देख मैं तो पिघला 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 तुझको ले जाऊंगा मैं खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे रानी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे रानी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के खींच के खींच के खींच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के हाय हाय खींच के खींच के खींच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के हाय हाय मटक 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 चलती है हाय झटक 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 वाल चलती है बड़ा संभलती है जान निकलती है हाथ लगा दूं तो हंसी सी करती है ये मेरी गलती है पर इतना भी हॉट नहीं होना चाहिए यार तुझको लगाऊंगी मैं खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे बेबी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे बेबी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के
Attaining knowledge, accomplishing goals, achieving success.